What's up, Wrap Shop Garage? Here we are with our newest project. This was just sent to us by North Central Emergency. This is for Lisbon Fire Department over in Waukesha County. And brand new ambulance. We do a fair amount of ambulances and fire trucks. So with this one, we're doing a complete chevron package on the back, black and red chevrons. They're lettering on the side in gold engine turned and black, and some reflective striping on the sides. And should be a fun one. So it's going to probably be a pretty short video. So come along for the ride, and we'll have this thing done. It's Monday. We should have this thing ready to roll on Wednesday. So enjoy the video. I got everything removed off the back of this truck, all the lights, the latch, grabs, just everything's out of the way. I started laying my first couple pieces here. I got my degree here. I put, got my angle, my 45-degree angle, started laying this piece, then got this little one in here and this one. And then I'm just gonna kind of keep working, following that out. It'll meet in the center, and then we'll go and we'll do that side. So let's get to it. All right, here we are on the final day of this Lisbon ambulance. We have, the back is done. Dan got this side done, and it is Friday. They're picking it up today. So I still have a black reflective stripe, 4-inch reflective stripe to run down this way. And he's got to finish up the other side. So let's take a look at where we're at on this. All right, I'm gonna start with cleaning the area where the stripe's gonna go. The stripe is basically gonna go along here, follow the line on that, come here, break in, and then come back here. All right, for this initial stripe, I'm following the angle of the bodybuilder's line here. So I'm gonna do that all the way back. I'm going 9.5 between the stripe and this. So we'll do the same going all the way down the body. This one, they kind of have angling a little bit. So we're gonna match the angle there and then straight back. These are small enough stripes, again, that I'm not gonna use any solution. That'll give me a little guide right there, so I know that that's gonna fall up on top of that. So I'm just gonna hold it off the vehicle a little bit, make sure we're lined up. Come in, one nice swoop. Same thing here. My guide. Gonna do one nice. So this one's kind of wrapping around the edge, get around the inside, and then we're going to cut on the inside of the edge. Just running the back of my knife along it. So there we get the little bit of wraparound. Same thing here, just inside, follow the edge. Lay that in. This I'm just going to give a nice cut right here. I don't want to go too far back here because it angles up and it would look weird. So I just want to get it a little bit around the corner. So continue straight. Okay, first piece down. Now that I know my height, I can go and clean all the way back down this way. Okay, here we go, side 2. This is what happens when something doesn't come out right. I laid my knifeless on here and it went a little off, so I tried to trim it, but it's not straight, so now I got to redo this whole stripe. Being these aluminum bodies, these are really difficult to remove. Not difficult to remove, but they leave all the adhesive, so it's a big pain in the rear. You don't need to watch me do this. Got the old stripe removed. Got the finish line tape on the knifeless tape ready to go. The new piece tacked in place. So we're gonna get this laid down again.
And that's going to be a wrap on this Lisbon Paramedic Ambulance wrap. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, tag, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you.